Hey friends, if you wish to manually reset Windows Update components to default on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it is a very long procedure. You will have to stop all the services, then delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. Then you will have to fix the registry level files. Then after that, you will have to reset WinSock and then enable all of these services once again. So I'll give you a very easy method. I have shared a script in the description section of the video. Just copy it and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, paste it here, and make sure that all these scripts till the absolute last one is executed. And at the absolute end, you notice that the services are starting. That's what they say. This service has started, this service has started, this service has started, and it will fix it. You know why resetting Windows Update components is necessary, even though clearing the software distribution folder should have been sufficient, because this way you will be sure that there is nothing else that can be done for fixing the issue related to Windows updates locally on your computer. If it doesn't work after resetting the Windows Update components, the issue is not with the system. It may be with the server, it may be something else. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.